We're very picky and we're very hard-nosed on making sure that fire safety is paramount. Every competitor, they're going to have to perform better. And I see that as a wonderful thing. That's going to be a wonderful day where I'm actually trying to compete with them just on how efficient we are.
Oh yeah.
That's going to be a great day for the industry.
Well, it's a good problem for the whole, it's a good problem for the industry to have, right? It's like, oh, who do I pick? They're all good.
Yes.
Right? That just means that the fire safety across the board we're in a much better condition. I mean, that's why that's what the business was born to do.
Yeah.